Good morning. I am preparing my coffee. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day on a work day. Get into my car, opening my trunk, putting my stuff in the back to get myself situated. If you're new here, my name is Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian and I currently work in the hospital as a clinical dietitian. And right now, like all vlogs and what I eat in a day videos for like when I'm working, I'm starting in the car. I'm a little bit running behind. I just want to show you what I eat as a vegan dietitian, and later on I'm going to talk a little bit about veganism and being a dietitian. A lot of you guys are very concerned, like you want to go down the nutrition / dietitian pathway, but you are vegan and you're scared that, you know, veganism isn't really supported by the medical community. I made myself a coffee this morning. I actually used a percolator because I like stronger tasting coffees, basically espressos, and I added in a little splash of nut pod almond / coconut milk creamer, and then I made myself overnight burcha last night, and it's basically just a bunch of seeds soaked in almond milk and mixed together with berries, and it's like, it's been so good. I love eating burcha at work, especially because it's easy to eat, it's filling, I can get my work done, and it's very, very nutritious. It's high in protein and it's high in fiber. It has a lot of minerals. The soaking process allows the seeds to germinate and activate, break down the anti-nutrient that is found in legumes and seeds called phytate, among other anti-nutrients. This anti-nutrient actually blocks the absorption of essential minerals into your body, such as iron and zinc. So if seeds are soaked overnight and legumes are soaked overnight, then a lot of the phytic acid is broken down, it's activated, and all those yummy, delicious nutrients are ready for our body to be absorbed. So that is what I'm having for breakfast, and then I will show you guys my lunch or any snacks really that come up in a few.
A few moments later.
I went to the gym after work, and now I'm about to make my dinner, or take a shower first, make dinner, and then wind down for the night. And I already know I'm not gonna want to talk. I'm not gonna want to like do any type of vlogging later on, most likely. I'm just gonna talk about some things about my day and lunch and eating and food and stuff right now. So at work, a lot of you have asked me if it's a sedentary job. Yes, it can be sedentary because dietitians do look in the computer a lot because that's where all the charts are now and that's where we gather all of our information. But you can always hack it by seeing one patient up at a time, which forces you to walk around the hospital and get your steps in like that. But that kind of stops you from being very efficient. Another way is to just, instead of using the elevators, going up and down the stairs, which is what I normally do. Another way to hack it is, instead of maybe one patient, you see 2 patients, 3 patients at a time. You're like always going up and down, but you know, you can just make it any way that you want to. Another way that I've hacked is that we have like little rover carts where there's like a laptop and you can just wirelessly remotely connect. It's like a cart with a computer on it, and then you can take it around the hospital. I'm trying to work my way up to that speed. So right now I'm just training myself and like using the small laptop to chart and gather information. So I find myself standing up a lot, which is really nice. It can be as sedentary or as active as you want. Lunchtime rolled around. I wasn't quite hungry because honestly I ate a lot yesterday. So today I'm like not feeling as hungry, which is probably why. But I knew I had to eat because it had been like 4 or 5 hours and I don't like to go too long in between my meals to eat. So for lunch, I just had my typical salad like I've showed you guys before in my other videos, and I had the vegan patty. So the vegetarian burger at our hospital is technically, it's pretty much vegan. There's no dairy products in it, there's no eggs in it. We have a salad bar at work, so this time I just used regular greens. I put beans, beets, mushrooms, sunflower seeds, raisins. I always have to have some kind of like fruit or like sweet thing in my salad. And then I had the veggie patty, which I covered in ketchup and mustard because ketchup is life. And then that was it for lunch, and now I'm about to make myself dinner, which I'm pretty sure is going to just be this like random throw in a bowl thing, which is what I normally do anyway. Like, there's usually never a name for my meals. I just kind of make them and then it's like a bowl of food. So that's what we're going to get into now.
So I started with my pre-dinner snack of Rainier cherries. As I was eating that, I was chopping up tofu that I later put into an air fryer. Literally plain, nothing at all. Obviously, you can marinate your tofu any way you want to, but you know, I don't do that here. Anyway, as my making dinner snack, I took a scoop of VIVO Life protein, mixed it with a little bit of water, added some almond butter, and then dipped apple slices into it. It's one of my favorite snacks, actually. And here I am, standing with all of my ingredients in front of me, trying to figure out what to eat. As my tofu is air frying, I start with a base of greens. I have some chopped spinach, and then I put some chopped mixed greens right on top, and then I sauteed some mushrooms. Added some tomato sauce into the sauteing mushrooms, chopped up some carrots, threw that onto my salad as a nice little crunch, chopped up some tomatoes, and then I threw on my sauteed mushrooms with the tomato sauce. My tofu was then air fried, put on some avocado, drizzled on some black sesame tahini, so they're black sesame seeds made into tahini, and then I covered it in other fun things like hemp seeds and more tahini, nutritional yeast, and just ate it all up. And then after that I had a chunk of a big vegan cookie along with some almond milk and more chocolate chips as I was cleaning up, because chocolate. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're having a wonderful morning, noon, day, or night wherever you are. I'll see you next time, and make sure you subscribe so you do see me next time. Bye.